Good morning to you, Nia. We are live outside Legacy High School where classes here begin in less than half an hour. Parents and students showing up this morning. A busy road here earlier this morning, and traffic is picking up. Police all across the valley are out enforcing school zone rules to make sure kids stay safe and drivers obey those rules. Joining us live this morning, North Las Vegas Police Department Officer Aaron Patty. Good morning.
Morning, Hector. How you doing?
Good, good. So what are we seeing already this morning?
Well, right now, what we're seeing, and we've been seeing a lot of already, is double parking and U-turns. The single most important things that we've been talking about all morning that we see most danger surrounding those two violations. So we really want to stress this. We know at least at this school, there's going to be a lot of high schoolers driving, so we understand that. But for you parents that are dropping off your kids, make sure that you're not double parking and you're not making those U-turns. It's still really unsafe.
It's an exciting day, a lot on parents' minds, and so they might forget about these rules.
Yeah, it's an easy, we understand that parents are probably dropping off their kids and heading off to work and that there's an urgency there to drop and go, but still we want this place to be as safe as possible. You can see that there's some double parking going on right now, and it does block the travel lane. So these are things that we definitely want to avoid.
And there's also a slower speed right now in effect, half an hour before classes begin and half an hour after classes. Let's just drive that home.
Slower speeds, so we do have our motor officers. They will be arriving in this area in just a few minutes. They're going to be bouncing from school to school throughout the day doing that enforcement, but especially in this area, like we've already talked about, there is a work zone here, so you are looking at double penalty.
Exciting day?
It's kind of a stressful day for everybody, I would imagine, but it's a day that we're going to get through like we have in the past.
Gotcha. Thank you so much for joining us this early in the morning. So classes here again begin in just less than half an hour. Parents arriving, so don't forget about those slower speed rules that also are in effect again half an hour after classes are over. Reporting live in North Las Vegas, Hector Mejia, 8 News Now.